Hello children. In the last lecture we have discussed about market value and face value. A quick revision. Face value is the value which is printed on the share certificate. Nowadays you don't get share certificates in the materialized form. That means you don't get a paper of the certificate. It is available with the share SEBI in the demat form, dematerialized form. Therefore it is called as demat form. Okay, so the value which is printed on the share certificate is called as face value, but in the market it is sold with the market value which is available. That is called as market value. Okay, and we have discussed all that in detail in the last lecture. Now let us go one step ahead and try to understand how does share market work. Now the share market basically works on gaining the money, on earning money at a faster rate. Okay, so somebody buys not to hold that share for long time, okay, but to sell it and earn money and recycle. Again sell, again buy, again sell. That cycle continues. Okay, so that every time he earns some percentage of his investment and he can grow his money into wealth. That is a share market terminology. Now, who will arrange how the buyer and sellers will come? Even in our day-to-day life, we realize that if somebody wants to sell a piece of land, a plot, then that person is not moving from one end to another end, from door to door to sell his plot. Then there are property dealers. In the same way, here we have share brokers. So they arrange, they bring the buyer and the seller in front of each other, not practically, not physically, but online. Okay, so there are some companies, they provide you the software. If you use that software, if you upload that software in your computer, then the buyers and the seller, all the buyers and all the sellers come together and you can see it online. Okay, you can sit anywhere in any corner of India, not in India, in any corner of the world. Okay, if you want to sell, they will arrange a buyer for you. If you want to buy, they will arrange a seller for you. That means the buyers and sellers are brought together through that software, and the person who gives you the software is nothing but a broker. अब वो फुकट में थोड़ी देगा आपको, वो इन दोनों को बेचने और खरीदने में मदद करता है. तो what happens that once the transaction gets over, you have to pay some fixed amount to that person, to the broker. Okay, that is called as brokerage. Okay, so buyers and sellers are brought together through a software by one person. The software is provided by one person. Okay, that person is called as a broker. There are some very famous names in India, like Motilal Oswal is there, Anand Rathi is there, Sher Khan is there, Kotak is there. So these are the famous names. They provide you the software, and through the software you can buy and sell your shares. Okay, so that person who gives you the software is called as a broker, and broker has to be paid some commission for buying and selling. That commission is called as brokerage. I hope till here it is very clear. Practically, buyers and sellers are not sitting in front of each other. वो कोई ऐसा सब्जी मार्केट नहीं है कितने में दिया और कितने में लिया. That is all taking place online. Okay, you second to second the rates are changing. Buyers and sellers, they keep tracking and the transaction takes place. Okay, so you have to pay some commission for that. That is called as a brokerage. All that takes place through a software. Okay.